And I'll be glad when we can go back to not having to wear masks, but I also appreciate that people are entitled to their jury trials, and we haven't done one here since September, and before that it was March. So we definitely have a backlog that we need to start working through. And it's very hard to tell if someone is, you know, making faces or whatever behind a mask. And, you know, some jurors don't want to be there. They don't want to be on jury duty. And it's kind of hard to tell that with masks on. And I'm sure that they don't enjoy it either. I mean, it's hot and it's uncomfortable, and they don't get to take them off at all. I mean, we could take them off when we were speaking, but they could not. So they had to keep them on the entire time. So that was a huge drawback for me, but that isn't anything anybody can control at this point. So it's just it's odd for some of us who have been doing this for a long time. I never in a million years thought I would ever do court over the computer. And I don't like doing that. I like being with the people. I like getting a sense for what's going on in the courtroom. And but then to have to do jury trials this way too is just kind of mind blowing for someone who's been doing it a long time. And um, actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I mean, obviously, it's uncomfortable to wear a mask for that length of time, but you know, plenty of people do it every day. You know, the people that were released for COVID concerns, I can't really, you know, argue with that. I certainly don't want to be responsible for someone getting ill uh, because of a jury trial. So if they had health issues or concerns, that's not even a second thought that they're not going to be part of this process.